Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we're going to be looking at Slidelock. And in my opinion, Slidelock is the best alternative to the stock lock screen that you get on Android, and a bit of an alternative to something like Dashclock. So let's take a first look now. So basically, Slidelock is an alternate lock screen that you can get for your Android device as long as it's running Android 4.1 or above. Now that's a bit of a step up from what you get with Dashclock, because you have to be running 4.2 or above to be running Dashclock. Now in my opinion, this does look a little bit better. The layout and things is very nice. The actual lock screen itself looks very minimal. You've just got a little slide to unlock just down the bottom here. You've got a get rid of all notifications on the side. Each notification has kind of like a picture, so you can see I've got Twitter, The Simpsons tapped out, got some emails as well coming through, and some WhatsApp. And the clock interface is really nice as well. Now it is all customizable, and as with most Android lock screens, you can access the camera with a swipe to the left, and then it will bring up the camera in a real nice interface, as you can see here. A swipe to the right will just unlock the phone itself, and you get a quite nice animation as everything kind of fades in. You can also go straight to the notification itself. So if I just want to go real quick into, for instance, the WhatsApp thread that I've got going, I'm going to slide across on that and it will open WhatsApp straight away. So again, really simple, really easy to do. There are some customizable features that you can actually use within the actual app itself. So you can see here, in terms of notifications that you want to show, you can have pretty much everything turned on, or just those specific ones that you want to have on at any one time. And in the settings application, you can see here as well, in the appearance, you can change things like the format of the time. You can also change the date format. You can have a custom status bar, so you can either have the Android status bar, so it would look as though it does at the top like that, or you can have one that looks very much like iOS, which I'm not really a huge fan of. I mean, it is very iOS when you look at the lock screen itself, but I do like to keep it very minimal, so I don't actually have a status bar at all, because obviously all my notifications are going to be coming through on the actual screen itself. So I've actually got hide status bar just here, and dim system UI, so things like buttons and things like that, you're not going to be able to see those on the screen either. Another nice thing that I do like is you can actually have an alternate wallpaper. Obviously with Android, you need to have the same wallpaper on your home screen as well as your lock screen. On something like iOS, you can actually change that, so it's good that you can have that functionality here as well. Now there is a premium version which gives you other things. For instance, there are some things here where you don't get in the free version, and also if you go into the I think it's the advanced options, you do get the Pebble Watch integration as well. I don't have a Pebble Watch or anything, so obviously that's all turned off, so I've actually stuck to the free version of the app. But overall, the application itself is very nice. Now one thing that I would say is I would turn off your normal lock screen. Now on Android you can do that by simply going into your settings, go down onto the security options, and under lock screen just put that to none, because I have found that if you're trying to run the original stock lock screen and Slidelock, it can kind of interfere with it. And also if you do unlock your phone too quickly, it can also make the lock screen not work. So if I just lock my phone now, unlock it straight away, in that instance it has gone there, which I'm actually quite surprised at. Let me just try that one more time. And it seems to be working fine. You can see the bars and things at the top and the bottom do disappear quite quickly, because at the end of the day it is just a full screen app. So if I do slide down from the top, it's basically immersive mode that you get on Android. You can see that it brings down everything as it would normally with an app. But overall guys, in my opinion, this is the best alternative lock screen for Android. Do leave a comment down below if you've got any other recommendations for me. The easiest way to get me is on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. I'll respond to pretty much every comment on Twitter because I'm on there quite a lot. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. This has been your first look at Slidelock, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.